It's my great pleasure to welcome you to the awarding ceremony of EPIC Science Prize for Innovation, Research and Education, ESPIRE.
On behalf of the Peruvian government, as well the National Council of Science, Technology and Technological Innovation, CONCITEC, I congratulate the ESPIRE competition and all the nominees for their enormous effort that I'm sure will help to reduce gaps, food security in our economy.
Wow, this is better than the Olympics. I mean, this is impressive stuff, and all of you who participate can be very proud. And certainly from our standpoint, you're all medal winners, and I just say, Rio, eat your heart out, because tonight the action is in Lima.
Now I want to introduce what I have done in my university, Jiangnan University.
Thank you very much for your dedication, your passion, all the nights that you didn't sleep, all the sacrifices that you put in your work, in your country, and moreover, your love for knowledge and for science.